Supposing your husband says, I don't like you, I want to divorce you. Or otherwise, suppose your wife says, I don't like you, I don't want to live with you, I want to divorce you. What will you do? How will you handle this situation? Let us see this thing in this video. Ladies and gentlemen, I am Razia Kali. I welcome all you, I welcome all to my channel. Supposing your husband or wife says, I don't like you, I don't want to live with you, I want to divorce you. What will you think? Immediately, something will trigger on your mind. And then you will say, why you want to divorce? I will divorce you. Like that, you will shout. That is a human behavior. If a wife says, I don't want to live with you, I want to divorce you, immediately the husband will get angry and say, I will reply, no, no, no. Why you want? I also don't want to live with you. I will divorce you. Like that. He will get angry and he will respond like this. This is the normal behavior of the human being. Do you agree with me? If your wife says, I want to divorce you, immediately the husband will jump and say, no, 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 I will divorce you. Like that. That is a human behavior. That's a normal thing. But it is not real. That is not a correct way of approach. What should we do? If you see the situation, you will only think that she intends to divorce. He intends, the person who is saying does not like the partner. Like that, you will think. But the reality is not so. If your husband really did not like you, or if your wife really did not like you, and if they really wanted to go for a divorce, what they will do? They will not come and tell you. They will not come and tell you that I don't like you and I will divorce you. Like that, they will not tell. Suppose a husband wanted to divorce his wife, then he will immediately approach the lawyer, or he will approach the father and mother, his father and mother, and convey the thing, and he will seek their help to go for a divorce. Similarly, if your wife really does not like her husband or husband, immediately he will go out and report it to her mother, or she will approach her friend, or he will go to the lawyer to go for a divorce. That is a, if they are really intent for divorce, they will only do this thing. Then why should they tell the partner that I don't like you, I want a divorce? But it is not if you analyze the thing, it is not the real intention. If the real intention is to divorce the life partner, then immediately they will go to the court, or they will go to the advocate, or they will go to the next friend for help. They will not convey it to the life partner. So what does it really mean? It really means that it is not their intention to go for a divorce. If they say I want to divorce, it only means that they are upset. They don't like some of any of your acts, or any they are got some, they got frustration. They are upset. They doesn't like any of our activities or something like that. Or there is some reasons, but they are not able to tell that reason to you. That they are not able to convey that reason to you. On the other hand, because of their anger or this of frustration, because of their upset, they are telling something other than the they are conveying other than the real one. So what is the real one? Assuming for a moment, supposing you are a child, or we are supposing we have a child. Supposing they do not, child does not behave in a proper manner, or they do not go for a study, they do not study well, or they waste their time. Then what will we do as a parent? We will say, I will kill you. Father will tell the child, I will kill you. The mother will scold the child, I will kill you. Does it mean that the father will kill the child? or the mother will kill the child? No. Supposing your father says, I will kill you, whether the child can go to the police station and make a complaint saying that my father has given a threat to endanger my life, the father has threatened to kill me. Can you make a complaint? Can you make a complaint under 307 or 503 of IPC for making a threat to kill or for intimidation? No, you cannot make such a complaint. If your father says, I want to kill you, that doesn't mean that he really wanted to kill you. It is only his temptation, or it's only his anger, or it's only conveys some sort of his what is called frustration. He, as a father, he wants you to come up in your life. He wants you to study well. He wants you to come up in your life. You want to come up. You want to develop your career. When you are not doing that, then father get an angry, and for that angry, he was telling that I want to kill you. I'll kill you. But that doesn't mean that he really wanted to kill you. So this only means that the father's expectation is not fulfilled. You are not doing your thing to the satisfaction of your father, to the satisfaction of parent. That is why the father has uttered such a word. The same is the situation here. Your husband says, I don't want to live with you, or I want to divorce you. He got upset because of some incident or because of some behavior of you. If your wife says, I don't want to live with you, I want to divorce you, that also means that she got upset. She was upset. She got frustration. That is why he was expressing his frustration, but she's not conveying the real thing, but she was making some sort of words which does not really mean that she want to go for a divorce. Supposing that there's a child, small baby. If the child get a hunger, it will cry. If he felt a pain, the child will cry. What the parent will do, what the mother will do, immediately the mother will try to feed the child. Or if in spite of the feeding, if the child continues, then the mother will look after whether there is any ant or any insect biting the child. Like that, he will check up. In spite of that, the child continues her cry, then immediately the mother will take the child to the doctor and check whether the child has any problem or pain. Like that, we will do. So when the child makes a cry, as a parent, as a well-wisher, as a caretaker, the parent will try to understand the reason for the cry. Similarly, if your husband says, I don't like you, I want to divorce you, or if your wife says, I don't like you, I don't want to deal with you, you should not find you should find out the reason why she was telling like that. What is the real reason behind the words? You should not find out the particular wordings, the meaning to the particular wordings uttered by your wife or husband. Supposing the child cries, makes noise, will you go and put a pin on her mouth, or will you put a paper or a cotton on the mouth of the child to stop the sound or cry? No, we will not do that. As a caretaker, as a well-wisher, we will try to find out the reason for that cry. Similarly, when a husband or wife says, I don't like you, I want to divorce you, then you should treat that is as a cry of a husband, a cry of a wife. So something has frustrated her, something has made her to upset. So because of that, she was realizing some pain. She was in distress. She was in stress. That is why she was expressing that thing. So immediately we will have to try to find out the reason why your wife is crying? Why your husband is crying? Why your husband is making such word? You should find out the reason. Then you will try to solve the reason. That is a proper approach. So, whenever a husband or wife says, don't take it as a word, don't give a meaning to the verbal words. If you give a meaning, if you take it as, if you can consider the verbal words, then you will also get frustration. Suppose the wife says, I don't like you, I don't divorce you, don't get anger. Be calm. Try to find out the reason. If you are not able to control your anger, at least you go away from the situation. Go to the mosque, go to the temple, or go to the park, or go to the shopping area, or go to any place, or go to discuss with your friends or your well-wishers, and try to cool yourself. Then come with some ideas to find out the reason for your life partner's sufferings. Why she was telling, what is the sufferance, what is the problem, what is the, like that you try to find out the reality, then you try to find out a solution to the problem and sort out your matter. So when your wife says or husband says, I don't like you or I don't want to divorce you, to you, that does not mean that she really didn't like you or she really did want to divorce you. It only means that she was in upset or he is in upset and he wanted your help to sort out this issue. That is the real thing behind these words. That's this is the thing I want to convey you. So please make a comment about this video, and if you feel that this video is useful to your friends or relatives, please share the video. And you may also, we have two channels, one Razyak Sattam Arivom, which is in Tamil, Razyak Law Tube is in English. You may watch this video and enrich your knowledge, and don't forget to make any comments. Don't forget to make comments about this video, because I feel this video will be definitely useful to all married couples. Thank you. Goodbye. Razia Kali.
ஒரு குழந்தை அழுதுன்னா அந்த சத்தத்தை, அழுகை சத்தத்தில் வர வார்த்தைகளுக்கு என்ன அர்த்தம் அப்படின்னு நம்ம யோசிக்கிறது இல்லை. அதே மாதிரி நம்ம அப்பாவோ அம்மாவோ நம்மளை உன்னை கொன்று போடுவேன், உன்னை பிச்சு போடுவேன் அப்படின்னு திட்டினா உண்மையில் அவங்க நம்ம கொன்னுடுவாங்க, பிச்சு போடுவாங்க அப்படின்னு நம்ம நினைக்கிறது இல்லை. அதே மாதிரி நம்ம ஒரு ஹஸ்பண்டோ ஒரு ஒய்ஃபோ ஒருத்தருக்கு வரையில் ஒருத்தர் கோபமாக ஒரு வார்த்தை பேசும்போது அதுக்கு ஏன் அந்த வார்த்தைக்கு நம்ம அர்த்தம் காணணும்? அவங்க கோபமாக இருக்கிறாங்க, அப்செட்டாக இருக்கிறாங்க, அதை அப்படின்ற அதுதான் அந்த உண்மையை உறிஞ்சிக்கிட்டு அதை எப்படி நம்ம சரி பண்ணணும்னு நினைக்கலாமே. அதை தான் இந்த வீடியோவில் சொல்லியிருக்கேன். நன்றி, வணக்கம்.